Samajwadi Party, Dr. Shyam Kumar, spokesperson of the Rashtriya Janata Dal, Nikhil Jain, Ravi Srivastav ji, and Karan Verma completes this panel. Nikhil, Pawan Kheda says the seating arrangement for Rahul Gandhi is not proper, is never proper. Should the government place a recliner for Rahul Gandhi next to the president when the program is held at the Rashtrapati Bhavan? What do you expect?
Pranesh, it's quite funny that you talk about constitutional protocol and propriety and then very conveniently forget that who we are talking about is not just Rahul Gandhi, some MP or some individual. He is the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. Seating arrangements are as per protocol. The leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha and the leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha are often made to sit right next to the Prime Minister, and we've seen that in a plethora of events. Of course, in the pre-Modi era, Vajpayee ji cared for it, Manmohan Singh ji cared for it, and every government before Narendra Modi cared for it. But this government wants to humiliate the leader of opposition. I don't even, it's not about humiliating Rahul Gandhi. It is about humiliating more than half the voters, half the citizens of this country who have voted for this opposition, whose voice Rahul Gandhi leads in the Lok Sabha.
Nikhil, tell me something. So 1 minute. Does the seating decide humiliation? If you're just imagine if you are not sitting next to the Prime Minister, if you're sitting 5 seats away from the Prime Minister, is that humiliation? And if that is so, why did you allow Mr. Khadge to be humiliated? That's
humiliation for the post of the leader of opposition.
By leader of opposition, तो खड़गे जी भी है राज्यसभा में.
The leader of opposition, that is not done in a democracy. तो राज्यसभा में खड़गे जी हैं, लोकसभा में राहुल गांधी जी हैं, दोनों को मान सम्मान देना चाहिए.
नहीं तो मान. So if Mr. Khadge could attend, what was Rahul Gandhi waiting for?
And the respect of women, the most important Bihari.
No, we will come to the 1 minute. Pehle, let's sort this out. Look at Mr. Khadge there. He is there. Is he being humiliated? There is Chirag Paswan also. He will also say, I am getting humiliated sitting here. And the other people, behind Mr. Khadge and others, what are they? They are insulting themselves.
Was humiliated when all his stuff was thrown out of a government bungalow, including the portrait of his late father and a very senior leader of this country.
Thrown out? Do you have pictures? Prove what you are saying.
Goes around saying,
prove what you are saying, Nikhil Jain. Prove what you are saying. Please prove what you are saying. What was thrown around? Nothing was thrown around. What the Congress throws around is this dynastic arrogance. Or 8 minutes सुन तो लीजिए. Or this is not just about arrogance. What Mr. Khadge is saying, Mr. Khera is saying is not making any sense. He says Rahul Gandhi is member of parliament in Lok Sabha. Why should he attend the oath? Because the vice president presides over Rajya Sabha. क्या basic political science, civics सब भूल गए क्या आप लोग?
The point is, if you अरे आपको बेसिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रॉपर्टी नहीं समझ आ रही, आप पॉलिटिकल साइंस की बातें कर रहे हैं. बीजेपी के लोग आएंगे वो तो पता नहीं क्या ही बातें करेंगे. द पॉइंट इज लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन शुड बी सीटेड इन द राइट एंड प्रॉपर मैनर एंड इट इज
only if the leader of opposition is present, my friend. If he is not there, you expect the government to send a chair for him wherever he is. रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, सर पवन खेड़ा जी ये कह रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी जी का सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट पे सरकार ध्यान नहीं देती, इसीलिए नहीं जाते वो.
Pranesh, good evening. First of all, there must be some kind of a misunderstanding and the distrust between the government functionaries and the protocol and all those things. The leader of opposition is a cabinet rank minister equivalent, and he should be given that honor at all places. Whether it was the Republic Day parade, where he was made to sit in the 5th row or somewhere, or whether it is this event of Vice President's oath-taking ceremony. That's why I think he has not attended. And this is, there should be a trust building between the offices, and it should ensure that the leader of opposition is given the complete honor, because that if you recall clearly, when the Arun Jaitley ji and the Sushma Swaraj ji were the leader of opposition, they were accorded the kind of protocol which they demanded, and they were made to sit always in the front rows. But this government after 2014 has forgotten all those respect given to the leaders who command a voter base of more than 50% of this country.
सर क्या
They
50-60
deliberately-
कर रहे रवि श्रीवास्तव जी? लेट मी शो यू अ पिक्चर. आप ये पिक्चर देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री कहां बैठे? लास्ट रो में. इज ही इंसल्टिंग हिमसेल्फ? वॉज ही ह्यूमिलिएटिंग हिमसेल्फ? देखिए लास्ट रो में बैठे ये.